Okay, this is our workshop of our workers working now. You can see here this machine. This is to make some machines parts. You can see here, and this is the second floor. So maybe I will show you the first floor. Okay, let me show around to our workshop now. Yeah. This is the hot melt glue machine. And this one is the foam roll lamination machine. Okay, let us go down the first floor. Okay. Now, show you. And this is also the workshop to processing the machine's part. This one is the slitting machine. Also is the slitting machine, and this one is the PE planky lamination machine. It's ready for ship for this one machine, and that one also is ready for ship. And this one is the two-station hot melt gluing machine. Yeah, this one. Okay. Yeah, this is the first floor workshop of our workers working. Yeah, you can see here. This one is the CNC cutting machine. This one is the four hands. Okay, just show you around. CNC cutting machine, because now we have the biggest order the CNC cutting machine. Have so many customers like this one machine. Just for if you have the little order you need to do, you can buy this one. Yeah, it's very suitable for you to make the little orders products. Yes. Okay. Hot air lamination machine. Yeah. Okay. Same one. And this one is a die punching machine. I guess you know that. Okay, this is the third floor. Also for some samples machine for our customer come in to test the machine. Yeah, just let me show you. This one is automatic vertical cutting machine, and this one is the horizontal and vertical hot knife cutting machine. Yeah, it's the hot knife cutting machine. Also, it's very popular in China. Also, we have the others from the Europe customer like this one machine. They also buy this one. Yeah, you can see here, and it's very, very fast. That is, you can process in the 1 hour. Yeah, this one you can You can process in about 15 cubic meters for 1 hours. Yeah, it's so fast. High efficiency of this one. Also, is the high accuracy. Yeah, this one is the automatic call machine. Okay. This one is hot plate. Yeah, it's the hot plate machine. And this one is for EVA. It's the forever lamination. Also, it's the hot plate machine. Okay, this is this one is our company very famous one machine is the hot air lamination machine. For the thickness of your materials. Yes. Home machine tool station. CNC cutting machine. Okay, so also in the second floor also is the same our workshop. Also to processing some machines parts. Okay, so this is the all. That is, if you want to come to our factory to test machine, please tell me. I will arrange the car to the airport to pick you up to our factory. Yes.